Good day to the people. I am Ritanya, biomedical trainer from Adinapanan Private Limited. Today we are going to see the biomedical device TENS. So in this video we are going to see the part 1 of the device TENS. So in this part 1 of the video we are going to see its general applications, purpose, advantages, disadvantages and its usages in the hospital. So let's move on to the video. To see the device TENS. So what is TENS? TENS is the abbreviation of transcutaneous electrical nerve stimulator. TENS is a non-invasive device used for the therapeutic purpose. So now what is therapeutic device? A device which is used for the treatment of the patient. So now we are going to see the working of the device TENS. The TENS produces low voltage electric current to treat pain in nerve, bone, tendons and ligaments. So now, what is tendons and ligaments? Tendon is the connection of bone to muscles and ligaments are the connection of bone to bone. Now we are going to see the working theory of the device TENS. So there are two theories in working of the TENS. So first one, as the TENS produces low electric currents to stimulate the underlying nerve cells, it blocks the transmission of the pain reception. And this second theory. In second theory, as the nerve cells are stimulated, it raises the level of the pain-killing hormones endorphins. So endorphins are the natural pain relievers. As the level of the endorphins increases, it blocks or treats the pain in your nerves or in your bones. These are the two working theories in the device TENS. So now we are going to see its applications in the hospital. As we know, TENS is a non-invasive device for therapeutic purpose. It is used in the department physiotherapy in the hospital. So now what kinds of pains are cured by the device TENS? So TENS can cure chronic and acute pains. So now what is chronic pain? The pain which lasts at the duration of 6 months to more than a year. What is acute pain? A pain which lasts around 3 months to 6 months are known as acute pains or short pains. Now we are going to see what kinds of pains can be cured by the device TENS. Osteoarthritis, which means disease of the joints. Second, TENS can cure fibromyalgia, which means aching and pain in muscles, tendons and joints all over the body, especially in the spine. And tendinitis. Tendinitis is the inflammation or irritation of the tendons. And bursitis. So bursitis means inflammation of the fluid-filled sacs that act as a cushion in the joints, which has appearance of bulging in the joint ends. So TENS also can cure labor pains, low back pain, chronic pelvic pain and diabetic neurotherapy, which means damage to the nerves that connects the brain and spinal cord to the rest of the body. And finally, TENS can treat peripheral artery disease, which means hardening of arteries that circulate blood to the body. These are the major pains which can be treated by the device TENS. So now we can see where TENS are not recommended in the usages. So TENS are not recommended for the patient who had done operative for implantable devices like pacemakers, implantable loop recorders, like that. And in pregnant ladies, as TENS can cure labor pain, but in pregnancy time, ladies are not recommended to use TENS with high intensity or frequency without a doctor prescription or advice. and in patients who having regular bleeding activities. So these are the conditions where TENS is not recommended for the patient having these conditions. So now let's move on to its advantage. So the advantage of TENS is, as it is a non-invasive therapeutic device, it can be effectively used for the patients. To treat people, look into the disadvantages of the device TENS. So the device TENS is not recommended for the patients having epilepsy or sensitive skins, as the electrodes may cause any irritation or burning sensations. So the electrodes are not recommended to place near the areas like cheeks, neck or head. So now let's look onto the parts of the device TENS. There are various kinds of the device TENSes. So now we are going to see the device TENS 4-channel. So the brand name of the TENS is Medgears and its brand name is Physiogears. So you can see we have 4 channels for connecting the electrodes. So this is the electrode for the connection of the channels. So here you can see 2 wires. One is red and another one is black. So now I am going to connect my electrode in one channel. So these are the electrode pads. It is also known as adhesive pads. So I am going to connect these pads in these electrodes. So you can see I have collected the electrode pad in the electrodes. So there are 2 electrodes. This is the dipole electrode pads. Has one electrode produces positive and other electrode produces negative charges. So these are the belts where I am going to connect my 2 electrodes with this belt during the operations. So here we have a adhesive gel. It is used for the greater penetration of electric charges into the patient nerves. So the device TENS has the AC power supply. So this is the power cord of the TENS device. Till this we have seen its applications, parts, purposes and usages in the hospitals. So the demonstration of the TENS will be in the part 2 of the video. Thank you.